In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image on Canva. We'll walk through creating a clean mirror or reflection effect using the tools built right into Canva, keeping everything simple and easy to follow. Start by opening a template or a blank canvas that fits your project. Any size works, but choosing the final dimensions up front helps avoid resizing later. Once your canvas is open, head to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and bring in the image you want to work with. Drag it onto the canvas, then reposition it to where your main subject should sit. Use the corner handles to resize, keeping an eye on the proportions so the image doesn't stretch or squash. With your image selected, create a copy using the duplicate button in the top toolbar. Duplicating now gives you a perfect twin to transform into the mirror version. Move that duplicated image off to the side for a moment so you can clearly see what you're doing. Select the duplicate and click Flip in the top toolbar. Choose Flip Horizontal to create a true mirror image, which swaps left and right. If you want a reflection beneath the original, also click Flip Vertical to turn it upside down. This vertical flip is what sells the look of something reflected below a surface. If the background is getting in the way, click BG Remover to isolate the subject. This can help the mirror effect look cleaner against your design. When that's done, drag the flipped image underneath the main one. Resize it so its width matches the original, then nudge it into place so the edges line up. Canva's purple guides will help you snap things neatly, and tapping the arrow keys gives you precise control for tight alignment. If your concept works better as a mirrored pair instead of a reflection, place the two images side by side and align their centers. Either layout can be effective depending on your design. To finish, adjust the transparency of the flipped image so it feels natural. Lowering the opacity softens the reflection and adds depth. A lighter transparency usually looks more realistic, especially for the version placed below the original. That's it. Open a template, upload and place your image, duplicate it, flip it, optionally remove the background, position it below or beside the original, align carefully and refine the transparency. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished mirror effect in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy designing.